2.2 second one. In the last video I show you that how to find this type of sums with the Apollonius theorem. So in the second one also we use the Apollonius theorem because he has to find the median. Find the length of the median drawn from the point C to AB. So here D is the median of triangle ABC. So AD is the half of AB. So half of 10, that is 5. After getting the AD, we use Apollonius theorem. As we know, the Apollonius theorem is AC square plus BC square, that equals to 2 times of median, that is CD square, plus 2 times of half of any side, that is AD or DB. So here AC it is 7, BC it is 9, so 7 square plus 9 square. Here we remove 2 as a common, so we get a CD square plus AD it is 5, so we write down the square of 5. Then 7 square is 49, 9 square is 81. Here CD square plus 25. Then we shift the 2 that side. So 49 plus 81, you get a 130, which is divided by 2, you get a 65. Then shift the 25 this side, so subtract a 65 minus 25, you get a CD square. So CD square equals to 40. So CD equals to square root of 40. So factor of the 40 is 4 into 10. So in the end you get the answer CD equals to 2 root 10. Fourth one, this is also the same as first and second. In that it is given in triangle ABC, where point M is the midpoint of BC. AB square plus AC square equals to 290 and AM equals to 8 and BC are to 5. Again M is the midpoint of BC and this is given over there. So we use Apollonius theorem. Here Apollonius theorem is AB square plus AC square equals to 2 times of AM square plus 2 times of half of any side, that is BM. Then here we 2 remove as a common. Here 8 square plus BM square. The 290 divided by 2, you get a 145. And shift 64 this side, so it is subtract. 145 minus 64, you get a 81. So BM square equals to 81. The square root of 81 is 9. So BM equals to 9 centimeter. So BC equals to 2 times of BM, that is 2 into 9. So BC equals to 18. This way we find the value of BC. 2.2 third one. In that triangle it is given PS is the median of a triangle PQR. This PS is the median of a triangle PQR. So it means QS and SR is the half of QR. Because S is the midpoint. So divide the side in 2 parts. QS and SR half of the QR, that is 1. Now in triangle PTS, T is a 90. So PS square equals to PT square plus TS square by Pythagoras theorem. That is second part. Now you have to prove first part, that is PR square equals to PS square plus QR plus into ST plus half of the QR square. So in triangle PTR, take this triangle PTR. In the T is the 90, so you get a PR square equals to PT square plus TR square. Now TR, it means TS plus SR. So TS plus SR. So TS plus SR the whole square we use A plus B the whole square formula. So PR square equals to PT square plus TS plus SR square. Now TS square plus 2 times of TS into SR plus SR the whole square. Now PT square plus TS square. In the second part, PT square plus TS square, we got it PS square. So place of this, we write down the PS square plus 2 times of TS into SR plus SR the whole square. Now this SR is the half of QR. So place of the SR, we write down the half of QR. Here also we write down half of QR. So this 2 and 2 cancel. You get a PS square plus ST into QR plus QR is the half of the whole square. This part you have to prove. This way you prove the first part of the sums. So second part of the same sums. Again, now we take a triangle PTQ. PTQ. This part of the triangle. PTQ. T is the 90. It means again we use the Pythagoras theorem. So PQ square equals to PT square plus QT square. So place of the QT, that we write down QS minus TS. So again we use A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. Now PT square plus this TS square, you get a PS square from the second part. Then 2 times of QS into ST plus QS. This QS we already shifted here, half of the QR. So the place of the QS we write down half of QR. Here also QS we write down QR half. So 2 and 2 cancel. PS square minus QR into ST plus QR upon to the whole square. This you have to prove. That is the second part of the same sum. In fifth one, it is given a point T is the interior of a rectangle PQRS. And you have to prove TS square plus TQ square equals to TP square plus TR square. As shown in a figure, we can draw AB which is parallel to SR and ATB. T is the midpoint of AB. So in that we can do the little construction P, S and T. Here it's given AB and QR. So what we do now, first we draw or we join this diagonal. That we did here. And the diagonal intersect at point O. So PQRS is a rectangle. In that PR and QS is the diagonal of the rectangle. So we know the property of the rectangle, they are equal. So we multiply both the side with half. So you get a half PR, half QS. Now half of the PR, it is PO and OR. Half of the QS, OS and OQ. So from 1, 2 and 3, what we get, all 4 are equal. OP equals to OR equals to OQ equals to OS. That is our fourth part. Now take a triangle TSQ. In that we use Apollonius. TO is the median. This way it's form a triangle. This way it form a triangle TSQ. And TO is the median. Use Apollonius theorem. So TS square plus TQ square is equals to 2 times of TO square plus 2 times of OQ square. That is fifth one. Now you can take another triangle, triangle PTR, this triangle. So this also PTR. Again, O is the median. TO is the median. So again you get PT square plus TR square is equals to 2 times of TO square plus 2 times of OR square. So 2 times of TO square and 2 times of OR we know it is equals to the OQ. So this OR is replaced with OQ. So now in 5th and 6th we can say the TO plus OQ, and here also TO plus OQ both are equal. So TS square plus TQ square is equals to TP square plus TR square. So TP square plus TR square is equals to TS square plus TQ square. This way you can prove your given part. So this is completed 5th one, and with this we completed chapter number 2.